Hey guys, again, as a hardworking and a realtor that understands investment real estate, you gotta have everything under one roof. So take this house, they just moved out. So we're over here, I'm taking pictures, I'll have the rehab crew come in here and clean this thing up, and we'll have this one rented within the next 2 weeks, maybe 3 tops. But we're checking everything out as soon as it's done. We're not gonna let this property sit here and not make any money. This is actually in Wickliffe, Ohio, and it's just an awesome area. This has been a solid performer, and we want to make sure it stays that way. So our clients understand that we're boots on the ground. We're going to buy it, we're going to lease it, we're going to rent it, we're going to manage it, and we're going to sell it. That's what we do, and we keep doing it. So when something like this happens, we're not sitting on our laurels going, wow, we already got all the money from that client. We're not, that isn't what we do. I'm over here taking pictures. I'll get all the stuff put together. I'll talk to the contractors, and we'll probably be in this one this week, early next week, getting all the utilities turned on, making sure that the heater and everything works properly. But this one shouldn't take that long. They left it in okay condition, but there's so much stuff that they did, and we're going to take care of it. So if you're looking for investment real estate, one that keeps going, because once you do the first tenant, usually a lot of people are gone. They don't have the special society that I have for my clients, the special vendors, the special deals that I get for my clients to keep them profitable in this stuff. Call me, I'm Brett with Fathom, 216-703-5740. And you can look me up on Zillow. You can see I've done hundreds and hundreds of deals here, and I've done hundreds in Phoenix, Arizona, but I'm located now in Cleveland, Ohio. 216-703-5740. Remember, as a realtor, I have all the other stuff that you need to be successful in investment real estate. Everything's under one roof. And I can take care of your insurance. I got an insurance guy. We have all that. 216-703-5740. Call me. I'm Brett with Fathom Realty. I got to get back to work, get this guy's place rented for top dollar quickly. Thanks.